Alright guys, I have to do a review of this, okay? So I was at the local grocery store and I saw these little mandarins. And you know, you'd be like, wow, you know, they're just regular oranges, right? No, they are totally different. I was really surprised when I saw this because look at it, halos, California mandarins. I thought it was just like, oh yeah, it's just a mandarin. I bought them and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So they taste totally different than your regular mandarins that you guys are used to, like, you know, your holiday oranges, things that they are really, really unique in a way. So let me show you. So taste wise, they have a more of a like a tangerine taste to it, and they have the aroma of more like a tangerine, not so much like a mandarin, like a traditional mandarin orange. Check this out. And the flesh looks a little different too. So, and when you peel it, yes, it's easy to peel, but it actually breaks as well, and you get a lot of the water from the peel on your hands. So, but let me show you. Let's take a look. You see how the flesh is actually quite different. So I'm going to bite into half of it. I'll show you. So if you look at it, the flesh is actually much harder. You see that? So when you bite into it, it actually eats more like a traditional navel orange. And that's what it really bites into. It just like more of a traditional navel orange. So it is actually quite unique, guys. So definitely check it out if you see it at your local grocery store. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.